In 2 of my one-on-one Bubble coaching sessions that I've run over the last couple of weeks, I've been working with students on building onboarding forms, and I've already done a couple of videos about how we can improve onboarding forms in terms of making them quicker to build, but this video is going to be demonstrating how in Bubble there's a quick hack that you can use to accelerate your process of testing your onboarding forms. So imagine you've got a multi-step onboarding and this is your step 2, and actually in the process of testing it you've got a mixture of required fields and optional fields, and you find yourself having to go through time and time again testing each bit of your form, and you find yourself having to enter in dummy text multiple times over and over again. Here is the quick hack. So if I go into my Bubble app editor, I can go onto the input field and I can go to define another condition. And rather than just setting an initial content here, so we could put company ABC, we're going to put that instead into a only when statement. So as our initial content here, go company ABC, but we'll say isn't live version. So if it isn't the live version, which is yes, then that means that it's the dev version. So we are basically adding in a condition here that means that when we're testing it, we pre-populate the fields of the form, meaning that when we have to go through the form over and over again to test it, we're not having to enter in some dummy data every single time. So let's do that again for here. So this time let's add in some lorem ipsum. Okay, and we'll do the same for the final multi-line input. So obviously this is just a very small example in a demo app that I've done loads of Bubble tutorials on. If you want to check out more Bubble tutorials, head over to our website. We've got an amazing deal going on at the moment. We're bundling all the courses we've created with all the videos we've created. Yeah, really worth checking out. Link is down in the description. So let's now go ahead and preview this and just get a sense of how much time this can save you if you've got many inputs across many pages, because now that I'm in my dev version, I get the dummy data as initial content. So that's a quick hack for accelerating the process of testing a multi-step form in Bubble.